How's your food?
It is good.
Oh yeah.
It is good AF.
I guess we should go over what we did today.
What the f did we do today?
We didn't do much. We were ambitious.
Oh, that's probably why you didn't even get any in the first
That's
place.
good. Thank you.
But I always know where the secret stash is.
Thanks.
Raining, you don't
Yeah.
need an umbrella.
We lucked out for sure.
Alright.
The food is great.
Excellent. Glad to hear it. First time?
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, all right. Traveling by, or?
Yeah, we came from Vermont and we're heading to the Finger Lakes. So
Yeah, a lot of times you want to try something different. You
no,
know what I
we
mean?
need to try the good stuff.
Yeah, if you need anything, we're right here for you, all right?
All right,
Thanks. It's like Southern hospitality.
Yeah, almost as if we were in Memphis. Yes, we left Vermont. Well, we left Weston in the morning and we went north to Quechee.
Quechee, yeah.
Yeah, it wasn't worth our. We pretty much lost the half the day. It was like the entire morning. And not only that, at the point we were ready to leave, it was noon, and the amount of time it took to get back was already half the day. I guess we should have done more research into what we were actually going to see there. And you live and you learn.
Yeah. It's road tripping.
Yeah. So we would have liked to have at least gotten to Verona Beach by
now.
tonight. Yeah, I f***ed up by not booking the site because you can't do walk-ins now because of the Rona. So we started at the first lock of the Erie Canal, kind of checked that out. We got to see where it breaks off of the Hudson River. Yeah, you know, all that historical stuff. As you might know, the Erie Canal, built in the early 1800s, right?
Mid-1800s, I think.
I think it was like 1832. I think that's what the sign said. By Governor DeWitt Clinton.
Nice.
Yeah.
This guy knows his stuff.
Yeah. I have Wikipedia bookmark. They called it Clinton's Folly. And Clinton's Ditch.
Yeah. Before it was successful.
Yeah, it was successful because up until that point, like there weren't trains or trucks, obviously. People would use pack animals, horses and donkeys.
If you wanted to get to the Great Lakes, there was no train, there was no boat access, there were no rivers that go directly there.
Yeah, like it wasn't practical at all. Well, it was practical in the way that they only had that option to get from A to B.
Right.
But once they started introducing, barges and larger boats that can carry hundreds of thousands of pounds, it became like the most cost-effective way to get stuff from New York, from the Hudson Valley, from anywhere in the Atlantic.
All the way to Chicago, because the Erie Canal connects you to the Great Lakes, which then get to Chicago, you can get to a big portion of the middle of America.
Yeah, and that was a massive thing for New York City, because it brought so much traffic to the port of New York, and people were congregating there because of it. So I'm sure, like New York City as we know it, largely thanks to that. It changed the landscape of Western New York because of all the freight traffic that goes through there. Yeah, it was a way to start populating the, lesser reached regions of New York State, the Great Lakes area, and Midwestern America, Mideastern America, I guess.
No, it does. Chicago's technically considered Midwest, right?
Is it the Midwest?
Yeah.
I thought the Rockies was like...
No, when people say I'm from the Midwest, it's like Chicago, right?
And Cleveland, or?
Yeah, Cleveland. I mean, I don't know.
You decide. Let us know in the comments.
Yeah, either way, I mean, Chicago is the most furthest west you can get from the Great Lakes. So
yeah, hopefully we'll see the rest of the Erie Canal over the next day or two. We're only going to see up until a certain point, because then we have to start heading down towards Watkins Glen.
And now we stop for lunch
at the Memphis King.
Yeah.
Hey.
YouTubers. Think they want to be new stars?